What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, host of the How To Show. And this week, we're going to talk about how to get your credit report so that you can make good decisions about 2023. And if that's one of your goals to get your credit off to a good start, want to talk to you specifically about credit reports as compared to maybe credit scores. And so the score basically says you qualify for X. But the report is all the nitty gritty details that tell somebody why you qualify for X. And so the only way to really talk about this is to dive in and go and get your scores. And so this can be a little complicated because I'm going to show you now as we search for this, there are a lot of different ad websites and a lot of noise that gets in the way of getting this information in the right place. So we'll just do this in real time. Credit reports. So if I search for that, you're going to get an ad for TransUnion, you're going to get an ad for Equifax, you're going to get an ad for Experian, and then you're going to get to annualcreditreport.com, which sounds like a really gimmicky website, but this is the real deal. Annual Credit Report is the place to get your credit reports. And basically, you have the right to get access to one copy of each report from each credit monitoring bureau for free each year. And so the way that you can do this is it's as simple as going to request yours now, and you start the process. You fill out a form to request your credit reports, and you have to give them enough sensitive information that it should make it such that only you can provide this information. Ideally, this is going to be a scenario where you give them your proper information, they spit you out a credit report, nothing on there surprises you. And so you fill out all of this, and when you hit next, it gives you the opportunity to tell them which reports you would like. You can have the choice from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And when you do this, if you select all three of them, tomorrow, you'll have to wait an entire year to get all three of them again for free. And so maybe the way you want to do this is to stagger this, and you get one of them now, you get another one of them in 3 months, or 4 months, I guess. You get another one of them in 4 months after that. And so every 4 months, you get a fresh report from one of the three agencies. Now, every one of these agencies has a report that looks different, but ideally, the information on them should all be the same. And so over time, or at one time, if you so choose, you want to make sure that the information on your credit report is accurate to your situation. If you're in good standing with everything, it should say that. If you're not in good standing with everything, it should say that too. And this can be an opportunity for you to say, yeah, I know that I'm not in good standing here, but I'm working to fix it. Or there could be a scenario where you think you're in good place and they think you're not, and there's an opportunity to basically dispute or try to resolve these situations. Ultimately, it's an opportunity for you to make sure that your head's not in the sand on your credit situation. And so if for whatever reason you're talking to lenders or trying to get credit card offers to get good points for things, any situation where credit would be involved and you're finding out that your credit score maybe isn't what you thought it would be, some of the reasons could be based in your credit history, so that you can use these reports to find out what may be dragging you down a little bit, or just a general good idea to search these every so often to make sure that everything, again, is showing up the way you think it is. In the world of online data evasion and data privacy questions and identity theft questions, basically this is where you would go to find out if somebody has stolen your identity as well. If you go in and you get one of these reports and you see some open credit items that you have no idea what they are, you need to go and be proactive and talk to the folks at the institutions that have set those up to make sure that if you see anything unorthodox, you're getting it squared away, and that if, for heaven forbid, somebody has taken your identity, this is the first step in A, figuring that out, and B, making a remedy for it. And so if you're in the world where you want to make sure that your credit is only showing things that it's supposed to be, check out annualcreditreport.com. There's no affiliate or anything to this. This is a completely free website. I'm not getting any benefit from it. Just recommend that you check out annualcreditreport.com, get your reports, and make sure you know what's going on in your credit world. That's going to bring this episode of the show to a close. Hopefully you got some value out of it, and hopefully you take some time this holiday season to enjoy time with the people that you care about. And if for some reason you make the wrong decision to start talking about personal finances over the holiday season with your loved ones, let them know that my awesome YouTube channel is the one to go to get information to make your financial lives better. You can also let people know that this is the content channel of choice to get updates from me as it relates to selling and buying real estate in the Indianapolis market. You can get in touch with me in the comments down below or at indiedwell.com. And as always, you can hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be the first to know about new videos each and every Wednesday as they come out. Till next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary, host of The How To Show, signing off.